Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's good to see you guys once again. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a soft glam look, soft glam makeup. So first of all you need to do is to apply your foundation around your face. Remember to press on and not drag. Then the next thing is to conceal using your concealer as an highlighter for under eye, jaw area, your nose bridge, and your T-zone, that's your forehead. After that, all you need to do is to blend out your concealer. Blend out from the inner corner to the outer corner. Gently press on, don't drag. Just like the way I'm doing it right now. Gently press on, don't drag it, press on gently. After that, right now I'm applying my setting powder. You can also use your finish powder just to set in your concealer for a perfect finish. So right now I'm just going to create a very soft eyeshadow look. So I'm taking a dark shade powder just for the inner cut crease and the outer part of my eyes. Then also I will go in with a light shade of powder for the inner part of my eyes and blend them together. So what I'm doing right now is just taking off excess powder that fell under my eye, and at the same time applying my powder shade all over my face. Right now I am doing my contour. So you contour with 2 shades darker than you, and I'm doing a powder contour right now. So you go just immediately after your cheekbone, take it up that way, and also remember to contour your hairline. By doing this, it's going to bring down the shadow. If you also have double jawline, you can do this. It reduces your jawline also. Then the next thing we're going to do right now is the nose contour. Just take the 2 shades darker powder and put it on your nose bridge and take it towards the inner part of your eyebrow. So it gives you that elongated, lovely contoured look. Can you guys see that? So if you want your bronzer or highlighter to look very sharp, just spray your setting spray on your brush before putting your brush on your bronzer palette and applying it on your face. That way it gives it a bit of moist and allows your bronzer to stay longer on your face. So I'm just going to go ahead to put on my jaw and also my lip area and my forehead. Those are the points where lights are going to bounce and give you that sparkling look. Right now I'm going on with my lip. Just taking a lip pencil to outline my lip, and after doing that, just outline every part of my lip. After doing that right now, I'm going to take a lip pencil to reduce the sharpness of the lip pencil. Just use the brush to bring down the shade and also to create a smooth effect. Right now I'm using my blush. Yes, there's a shade in my blush that's pink. I love it for the inner part of my lip. It gives it a brightening effect. And now I'm using a clear gloss. Just apply clear gloss on your lip all round, even to the point where you used your lip pencil to outline. It gives you that lumptious lip and a natural look. Second to the last thing I'm going to do right now is just to brush out my eyelid using the mascara, because I won't be using lashes in this video. So now this is my setting spray. I'm just going to set my face. Set, spray, 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 spray. And this is the final look, the soft glam makeup. Just gonna go ahead and don my wig. I hope you guys love this look. If you do, please remember to give this video a thumbs up. Love this video, share with friends and family. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that I come your way next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.